Hello, in this video we're going to talk about sending payments. So in the last video we talked about receiving payments and viewing transactions and filtering and so forth, so this is just sending. Also, just to confirm, you cannot send money until bank accounts are added. So if you need to do that, go ahead, click on your name, banks and cards, add your bank accounts. There's multiple methods to do it. And add as many as you need there. You'll need those added to send or receive money. Okay, so going back, if we want to send money, we simply just click for an online payment. You can go send, basically, you can go, there's online and offline. This is online, this is offline. When would you use them? Sending money online is, of course, if we're like physically sending money to someone. So you can almost think of this as like PayPal for property management. Okay, so this is where you do it. But if you want to record an offline expense, typically, maybe you're paying your mortgage. So you paid your mortgage outside of Hemlane, through your online banking or something. But you want to record it here so that you have all your income and expenses here at the end of the year so you can do your taxes. Okay, so but going back, sending money, we just click send money. Choose the property. You have to find one with a tenant. You'll pop up here, choose the tenant. Okay, so confirm who it's going from, then to, then the category. Very common to do a security deposit, right? You're sending your security deposit back to the tenant, but it could be something else. Maybe you're paying a management fee, right, to a realtor or a manager. But let's just say we're going to say security deposit. We're going to say 1,000. We're going to choose the funding account. So remember, all the bank accounts we added are going to show up here. A memo if we wish. Thanks. And then click next. Add any invoices. If there's any additional PDFs or paperwork you want to go along with this, add it here. Click next. Confirm everything. And then send it off. And then you will see this back in your financials. It'll show in transit. The money is now en route now, okay? And it'll show the due date as well. So we've sent money, so the receiver's going to receive that money, as per that due date. Now, if someone sends you money, or if someone creates an invoice and sends it to you, okay, so for example, a very common scenario, you're working with an agent and they send you an invoice and ask you to pay it. It's going to show up like this. You owe, so-and-so. There'll be a pay button. So it's going to be very obvious. Click pay. And then you're going to have to choose a funding account. Again, that's why you need to add all your bank accounts. Choose your funding account. Say the amount you want to pay, right? So this person's requesting 500. We're going to do, potentially, we're going to say 400. Put in a memo, click confirm, and send it off. Okay, so now this has sent the payment from your chosen bank account to that leasing agent, etc. Or you can just do an offline payment. Maybe you paid them, maybe you paid that agent, 400 through Hemlane and $100 offline. Then you could do that here. And now it's all completed in transit, and you can see all your payment history here. Okay, so now going back. Offline payments. So to do that, we click down here or record one-time reoccurring transaction because it's reoccurring. Sorry, it's offline. So we're recording because recording sort of infers it's offline. So again, choose the property. Who it's going from. Okay, so it's from you to the agent. Choose the category. Management fee, for example, total that's due, 1,000, and you could say paid amount is 1,000, or you could leave that blank. A memo, thanks for your great service. They'll see this on their side. The due date today, it's one time, or it could be reoccurring. So the difference between one time and reoccurring, one time might be something like paying your agent. Reoccurring could be your mortgage, right? And that would be offline because you can't pay your mortgage through Hemlane yet. But you could pay it out of Hemlane and record it. So we're going to put it here. So let's just go ahead with the mortgage and say reoccurring. Pick our dates. Mark as paid on due date. Yeah, we want to do that. Click next. confirm everything, and click record. And there we go. So now we have done a recording, and I showed you how to do one time and reoccurring. Okay, so yeah, everything else is kind of the same as requesting with the filtering. Remember, you can go by property, you can filter here by status, by date, etc. You can download payments. Okay, if you have invoice and payments, don't forget you can download these if you want to look at more details. So yes, that's it. Thank you very much.